It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Jordan 12 Retro Barons. Let's go. Man, I gotta say, I'm glad that I have these shoes, man. They came out last year in September, I believe the 28th, and they retail for $200. And the reason I didn't get these at the time, because I had some other shoes on my radar that I got, and I just didn't want to spend that extra money. I said I was gonna come back and just get these later, but you know, coming back getting them later, you're gonna pay more. So maybe I should have got them when they came out. But anyway, as you can see, the StockX tag, man, yeah, I got them on StockX, and they was on StockX for a while for like $272. Man, I'm at work and I'm like just looking at, I'm on StockX trying to see how much they cost, and I seen they went down to $232. So I hurry up and pull the trigger. But StockX have those taxes, those heavy taxes, so it came out to be $284, I believe, and that's a lot of money. But you know, sometimes your boy can't get the shoes when they come out. I gotta go back and get them. Like I gotta go back and get those Jordan, I believe it's the 8s, the Jordan 8s, Jordan 8 breads, because I had those, but I got the wrong size, man. I thought they fit tight, got size 12, should have got 11 and a half, but I'm gonna go back and get those too. But these right here, man, I'm a black and gray guy. Like I love, black is my favorite color, and I love gray. And as you can see, your boy grayed out. All right, y'all, let's take a closer look at these shoes. Now, looking at the colorway, it's black and gray. You have a little splash of white at the bottom, and you have silver eyelets right here at the top. Now, these shoes have quality control issues. I see like little string hanging out right there. What else I see? I see like a little scuff mark right here. Now, I got these on StockX, so we don't know the person that had these shoes first. He probably had them on and scuffed them up or something, so we don't know. And then you got to be careful with fakes. So the way fakes are today, I can't really tell the difference, you know. So I pray to God I don't have no fakes in my collection, man. But you know, over the years, it's been people complaining, even me, complaining that StockX sold me some fakes or GOAT. I don't even shop at GOAT no more, so don't mean StockX a few don't slip through the cracks. So when it comes to 12s, man, I always go true to size. I can't speak for nobody else, but I always get these true to size. All right, and I'm glad I have these shoes, man, because I'm more of a fan of Jordan 12s than 11s. When I was a kid, Jordan 11s was probably my number one. Is it today? I don't think so. But I have a lot of Jordan 12s in my collection, man, and I'm glad that I have these. So let's go see how these shoes look on feet. Let's go.